Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about how to caption your videos automatically in Final Cut Pro and for free, and I want to challenge myself and see if I can explain this to you guys in under 2 minutes, so let's just get going.
The first thing you want to do is export your video from Final Cut Pro that you want captioned. Just name it for captioning or something like that. Save it to your desktop. Once it's saved to your desktop, then you go into CapCut. CapCut's a free app. You can download it for Mac or PC. Press import, select your Final Cut Pro video, and drag it to the timeline. Now we're going to go to text, auto captions, then you get to choose your language, press create, and it will create your captions within seconds. Now we're going to zoom into our timeline and you see these little orange blurbs are our captions. By default they're white right now, but if you want to edit the captions, go to captions and you can kind of reword things if it didn't capture perfectly or add emojis, what I do. And then go to text if you want to customize how they look and animate on screen. And we also wanted to resize them a little bit. Now the last step is to select your video and press V. So that will actually disable the actual video and it will only leave the captions to export, exactly like that. So now we're going to go to File, Export. You can leave all the settings exactly as they were or just have them match your Final Cut Pro version. We're not going to do caption exporting because that's a pro feature. We're trying to do this for free. And now we're going to export those captions onto our desktop where we can drag them back onto our video in Final Cut Pro. Now you can see that they are populating, but there's that black layer. Now search for your Luma keyer in the effects. It's built into Final Cut, and drag it over your captions. And now you can see it's removed that black background. You can kind of play around with the opacity there. Also, a little pro tip, you can apply a drop shadow to your captions to make them pop even more. I think they even look better than they did in CapCut with a slight drop shadow, and that's how you do it.
If you like these types of videos, I have a ton of tutorials on video editing tricks in Final Cut Pro in under 2 minutes. I'll link that. I make videos every 2 weeks, and so I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Oh yeah, and subscribe. Okay, bye.